Bumped into a friend of mine I hadn't seen quite a while. He asked how I was doing. I did my best to smile. No matter how I tried, I just couldn't hide the pain. I said, to tell the truth, I've seen better days. 'Cause my best day was our first summer on the 4th of July. She swore that she loved me. I saw rockets cross the sky. And on that day of independence, I really gave my heart away. And nothing from now on will take its place of my best day. We stopped into a little bar and he bought me a draft. He said, I know it's not my business, but I've just gotta ask. So I told him about the love we had, and then I broke right down. Since she left, that's all behind me now. 'Cause my best day was our last Christmas, making angels in the snow and drinking homemade cider to take the chill out of the cold. And the dress she wore on New Year's Eve, how it stole my breath away. And she raised a glass to celebrate my best day. I said, you know I've gotta go. I thanked him for the drink he bought, for the time we shared. Then I said, you know, on second thought, my best day was just last night, while I lay sound asleep. And there in peaceful slumber, she came back to me. She told me she was sorry she ever went away. And she held me close and promised she would stay. So if you really want to know, I'd have to say, well, my best day began and ended with her breath upon my skin. I spent every waking moment in a love I thought would never end. But with one single goodbye, my whole life was changed. Nothing's ever gonna take its place of the smile, of the eyes, of the face in my best day.